Hello my friends, Runar again from Oslo, Norway. Sorry for not making any videos for the last 1.5 weeks or so, but I've been sick with influenza. Very sick, to the point that the ambulance came and take me to the hospital where I stayed for 3 days. But I'm feeling better now. But I managed to break the thumb while I was there, so it is quite sore. I have metal pins etc. inside from surgeries from before, so it didn't bend out of shape, but it was very blue when I broke it on Wednesday. But I hope I can use it to make this video. So I bought a long shell, grenade shell for the airsoft grenade launcher, and my good friend Søren 3D printed some ammo for me. He said they are quite fragile, so he don't think they will last long, but he can always make more, he says. This rocket type can also be used as a butt plug. Dual use. And some of these grenades, spiral grooves on them. They are very lightweight. I will weigh them to see how much they weigh, but they don't weigh much. I'll try today with propane and see how it goes. If they survive, then I can try drill a hole and fill them up with building foam or polyester or something. But not until it gets warmer outside. He also made some short ones. He said he thinks they fit down the hole there. And also these ones with spirals. Two of these. I will use my B&T GL-06 airsoft launcher. I have a short shell I will use for the rocket and grenade types, and I will use this one for the this. So let me fill in some gas, and then we can see what sort of velocity it gives. But first, before I forget it, let's weigh them before they break in a million pieces. So, let's start with this one. Hundred and 6.8 grains. 106.4. 135.6. And this one 261. 250, 269, and this one 328. So even though it's 3D printed and lightweight plastic fantastic for the launcher, the weight is actually quite good. I can't have them much heavier than this, because then it wouldn't launch them. If all goes well and it doesn't break in the testing, then I can try it in the summertime, shooting at in an arc to see how it flies over distance. Yeah, alongside with my other homemade rocket stuff I made for the launcher. So let's check the temperature and then we can start the tests. One moment. Temperature is about 20 degrees Celsius or 65-66 degrees Fahrenheit. So, this should be interesting. Fill it with the propane, which has about the same pressure as the green gas, normal green gas, around 120-130 psi. Using the long shell, because I want to try this first. So let's see. Don't remember the weight, I think around 134 grams or something, but let's see. Loud bang. 121. It survived. It just made a crack in the tip there. No. Now let's try these grenade type. Not sure how well they fit in the barrel, but oh yeah, they are sliding. It is very loose fitting. Shouldn't be any problem. Short shell. Since that big slug just slides down the barrel, it has about at least a 2 mm gap. So I thought, okay, let's muzzle load it and use some paper wadding. Split that in half. Like so. Oh yes, now it is perfect fit in the barrel. Plop. You can see it down there. Not sure my gunny will read you any numbers, because it is quite heavy and I'm using propane, but let's try just to see if it works. Just a plop. Didn't read. Here's the paper. And there's the shell. Yeah, just for the heck of it, let's try this one with propane also. Just to see if it will shoot. One moment. And now let's try the rocket. You can see the cross from the tail of the rocket there. No need to try and crony it. So, just shooting. It shot. And it survived. That's cool. And now I have used HPA 750 psi approximately from my Tipman bottle. I've muzzle loaded the green slug with paper wadding around it. So let's see if I can shoot it. Trigger pull should be quite heavy. let's see. Quite stiff trigger pull, 181 feet per second. Not too shabby, I think. Where is that? There it is. It blasted holes into the butt of the shell. I think I will have to drill a hole and fill it with something before I use it again. But okay, this is just a test anyway. Let's try this. But I need to fill up the grenade first. I think I might have burst an O-ring, not sure. Let's try with the rocket. See if it will shoot. Let's try. Ah, fuck, that was a super stiff trigger. Boom. I had to use all my force in order to pull the trigger. So sorry, no crowning numbers, but it shot. And it survived. Let's try that again, but I will fill it shorter. I filled it for about 4 or 5 seconds, and that is building up the pressure inside too much for the grenade. Let me try a 2 or 3 second fill and see how that goes. And now, about a 3 second fill. So let's see. The rocket and a 3 second fill. ...152 feet per second. Trigger pull was stiff, but not like impossible heavy to shoot. Yeah, it made it in one piece. So yeah, it works, and it is super fun and super cool. So if you have this or similar type grenade launchers for airsoft, it is always an option. You can shoot other fun projectiles from them also. This one, as you saw, blasted out the back. So I will need to fill it with epoxy or something. We will see. This is just for fun anyway. So big thanks to Søren for the cool stuff he had made for me. So here you can see my Tipman bottle with the S-Thunder adapter on it. And I have 2800 psi inside. Yes. Just a standard normal paintball bottle. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for watching.